we've done with some time that we spent at the windmill. It's super huge. Let's go. So we have another hour's ride before we reach Cotsvilla in Pollachi. Took a quick break. Suddenly realized there's something that's there you can get in. So we got inside. And it wasn't too far from the main road. See, it's just less than 200 meters, 250 meters, and you could get into this windmill. So by about lunchtime 1:30 we should be at the resort. Where's the Raftar? And these windmills, are gigantic, super big, they're huge. You realize only when you go close to them. There's a little bit of crosswind here. It keeps pushing you towards the right. I mean, you have the wind coming from right hand side and pushing you towards the left. I was told by the organizer, so I'm coordinating with one of this guy called Oswald. So I was told by him that last week and a week before it was pouring here like crazy, and they weren't sure if they want to do this event at all because there was such bad rains. But luckily now there is no rains. And the entire stretch, which is about 145 kilometers, has been like this, more or less been like this. With good view around and good roads. Roads are also very good. Only I think about some roads have been a little patched up roads. Apart from that, they've been really good. Hello? ಕೇಳ್ತದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹಾಂ ಏನು ಹಾಂ ಬನ್ನಿ 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 check this out. Crazy, so awesome. This looks like Alice in the Wonderland. Look at the entire canopy. Wow, awesome. This is our way from Pollachi to, I think this is also Pollachi if I'm not wrong, towards our resort, which is called Cotsvilla Resort. Wow, just love this canopy. Beautifully done, such amazing. I mean, this is how naturally earlier you used to get rid of the sun, or be kind of peak. And this is how earlier we used to avoid sunlight if you were on the road. Beautiful canopies. Most of the roads are now gone. They don't have these kind of canopies. I'm so happy to see that one. we are about 18-19 kilometers away from the resort now. Hello? ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಒಂದು ತುಲೆ ಕ್ಯಾನೋಪಿ ಅಲ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ ತೋಜ್ಜ ಅವು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಪ ಸಾಲಿಡ್ ತೋದಿದ್ದುಂಡು ಬಕ್ಕ ದೆಪ್ಪುಗ ಕ್ರೇಜಿ ಎದುರು ಪೋಲೆ ನಮಕ್ ಎದುರು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ನೋಡು ಪನ್ಪೆ ನಮಕ್ ನಾನೊಂಜಿ 7 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಆಯ್ಬೇಕ ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್. Oh, look at this place. So we've entered a small lane now. It's gonna be like this till we reach the venue. But look at the view around. It's just crazy. It's just right in between the valley, like literally entering the valley. You see there's valley on the either side and we're literally entering into the valley. So it says about 7 minutes to the place that we're going. Wow, this is absolutely crazy. Full off-road here. No, not off-road, sorry. It's full bad roads here. Looks like this is a private road. That's why they haven't done up the road, because if you see all the other roads there was very, very good. Only here this is not maintained. Another thing is I'm a little dehydrated. Didn't realize that much, but then now I can feel I've started getting a light headache because of the dehydration. The sun was so strong, I didn't have sufficient water, and that is what causing the headache because of the dehydration. We're about 1.5 kilometers away from the venue. So this is right in the middle of the valley, absolutely center, because we are covered with valley on the either side, both right and left. Kind of pretty deep into the jungle. We're almost there. See that? You are literally, that's the end of the road and you need to take a left. Crazy place. And here we go. About a minute. This is the checkpost, and whoa, whoa, whoa. Here we are. Wow, just beautiful. That's fantastic.
Check your registration once and then get it.
Can I meet Oswald? So now we're going to a room. So thank you to Oswald, who is coordinating from Tamil Nadu bikers group. That's Oswald there. So we are going towards our room, and look at this horse. Wow. Beautiful property. Wow, this is a beautiful place. This is the end of the entire valley, and then you have the valley here. Yep. Perfect. Okay. Super. Yeah.
Just take a right.
My God. What they were thinking while doing the room.
Build a room for washroom or water for a room.
Nice.
TN04 எங்க வர சொல்றீங்களா?
So this is the event place called Cotsvilla in Pollachi. Beautiful place. It's like super massive place, and the way these guys have organized this event is amazing, and good number of riders. I think more than 200 plus riders have come. Look at those mountain ranges. Amazing. This location is just absolutely stunning, and you can camp as well. So they've got about 100 people camping. Check this out. So now there's events happening for riders. Lovely place.
Bro, Alice Chennai.
Bikers are still arriving, and they've got bikers from across TN, Tamil Nadu, and some riders from Bangalore also have joined. I've seen a couple of K01 and 05 and all of it. Look at that. Evening vibes. Around late in the evening, it's dinner time and the vibe is really good here. There's campfire, there's some entertainment music going on, and that's our food place. And the weather is kind of really no, it's not chilly. It's chilly, bro. I was just gonna say it's a very nice pleasant weather, and you said it's a chilly weather. We'll go for dinner now and probably call it a day today. Let's see what happens.